All right, hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to export a full Jira project if you're trying to back things up, migrate to another site, or just keep a local copy. This is the simplest way to do it in 2026. So, first thing, open the project you want to export. Once you're inside it, look toward the left sidebar and find the settings area. Yeah, it's usually at the bottom. Inside project settings, scroll until you see the options related to data or the actions menu. Jira tends to shuffle this around a bit, so, just look for anything labeled export or project data. Now, Jira usually gives you a couple ways to export. The most common is the full XML export. It's the format Jira uses for project imports later on. If you just need issue lists for spreadsheets, you can choose CSV instead, but for a full project backup, stick with XML. Go ahead and hit export. Jira might take a moment here, especially if your project has a lot of issues or attachments. Sometimes it'll queue the export and refresh when it's ready. Once the export finishes, Jira gives you a download link. Just click it and save the file somewhere safe, maybe a synced folder or a local backup drive. And if you only need the issues from the project, not the whole structure, you can also run a JQL search and export the results from the issues page. Super quick if you're building reports. Just a heads up, exports don't always include attachments unless you're doing a full site backup. If you rely on those files, double check before deleting anything. And that's pretty much it. Exporting a Jira project is, way simpler once you know where the options live. Hope this helped, and feel free to save this guide for later if you're migrating teams or cleaning up your workspace.